In the network section, you will be able to manage your personal and business connections. If you click on Manage Connections, you can find your connections, followers, and who you following back. You can remove connections. Here you will be able to see the number of your connections and followers. You can increase your network by inviting friends and businesses to CURD and get rewarded with CURD coins. You can share referral link. Copy URL and share with anyone you want. In Recommendations section, you can send them invites or follow requests. If you go to Business section, you can also add your favorite businesses to your trust circle. You can also unfollow the businesses. In the group part, you can see the groups you have created. You can update your groups by adding more members. Once done, you can click on Update. How to create a group. Click at the bottom, Create New Group. Fill in the group name and members. You can add an image to your group profile by taking a photo or adding from photo library. Click on Create Group. The new group will be shown in your group section. This is how you navigate in the network section.